Hello, good afternoon, all of you. I'm Shekhar Sharma again with you. Class 6, Computer, Chapter 2, Operating System. So, let's start. Operating System. An operating system is a software program that controls the operations of the computer and enable other programs to run on it. An operating system also provides the user with a medium called interface to interact with the computer. Without an operating system, the part of the computer will not be communicate with one another. Also, the user will not be able to use the computer. These are the examples for Windows, Mac operating system, Linux and Unix. These are for computers. Android and iOS, these are most popular mobile operating system. Now, functions of the operating system. Number 1, interface management. An operating system provides the user with a medium to interact with the computer. This medium is called an interface or a user interface. Number 2, device management. An important function of an operating system is to control all the internal and external devices attached to a computer. The devices are keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, and pen drive, etc. Number 3, process management. A process is a program that is being executed or run. Today's computer allow us to carry out many tasks at the same time. Number 4, memory management. An operating system manages the memory of the computer. The memory of the computer is an area into which a program must be loaded from the hard disk before it can run. An operating system makes sure that enough memory is allocated to each program so that it can run. It also deallocate memory from the program that are no longer running. You can pause it and see the diagram. Operating system for PC. Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac operating system and GNU's Linux are some of the most widely used operating system. Number 1, Microsoft Windows. Windows is a series of proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. It has a graphical user interface GUI. It is the most widely used operating system on personal computers. The first version of Windows, known as Windows 1.0, was released in 1985. Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 are the other versions of Windows operating system. Mac OS or macOS. It is a series of proprietary operating system developed by Apple for Macintosh computers. Apple Inc., an American computer company, developed macOS for its Macintosh line of personal computers. The latest version of macOS is Mojave. Number 3, Linux. Linux is an open source operating system developed by Linus Torvald in the early 1990s, in the age of 21 only. There are several versions of Linux to choose from: Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Dragora are some popular free distribution of Linux. Operating system for mobile. The two most widely used operating system for mobiles and tablet are Android and iOS. Number 1, Android. Android is one of the most widely used operating system on mobile and tablets. It is maintained by the Open Handset Alliance, a group of companies led by Google. It supports a large number of applications. Number 2, iOS. Apple Inc. developed the operating system iOS for iPhone and iPads. iPhone smartphone has revolutionized the way mobile were being used by us. Now next is Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 is the latest addition to the Windows family of operating system, and it was released by Microsoft in July 2015. It is the first version of Windows that receive ongoing feature update. Ongoing feature update means it is working and features update continuously accepted. Command line interface. A CLI or command line interface is an interface in which a user has to type the commands and data in command prompts. Number 2, graphical user interface. A GUI or graphical user interface is an interface in which a user can instruct a computer to perform a specific task by just selecting and clicking on graphics or icons. Thank you so much.